All right. So we have our new piece of paper for operations with integers. We're going to do 5 examples. So this first one is 5 plus 4. I know it's simple. You've done it for years. But think about, I'm at 5. This plus tells me I'm going right. I want to go right 4. That means I go 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm going to end up at 9. That is my answer. So operations with integers are just going left or right if it's a plus or minus. Okay? So 5 minus 4. So I'm going to be at 5, but this minus tells me to go left. Plus meant right, minus goes left, the opposite direction. So if I go left 4, I go 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm going to end up at 1. Number 3, I'm at negative 4, but I'm going left 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, negative 6, negative 7, negative 8, negative 9. I'm going the same direction. So I'm actually adding these numbers together, but sticking on that negative. Just like number 1, I'm going the same direction. Positive 5, positive 4. I add them together, but I put a positive on my final answer. If I subtract a negative, let's look at this on the number line. I'm at 4. Now, it wants me to go left, but then I want to go the opposite of left. So I'm really going the opposite of left, which is going to be right. So I like to put plus and plus on there so I know that I'm going right 5, which is the same exact thing as up there. So it'll be a positive 9. Okay, and then change up our numbers because we've seen a lot of 4s and 5s and 9s. I want to do a negative 13 plus 5. I want you to draw the number line. You're going to start at negative 13, and then are you going left or right? Pause the video, try it on your own. You're going to go right because it's a positive. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're going to end up at a negative 8. So in this case, I'm subtracting them, but I'm going to stick a negative on my answer. Now, for multiplication, remember that a negative times a negative is a positive, which is why these turn into positives. And if there's even one negative in there, if there's an odd number of negatives, it goes to negative. Same thing for division. So if I made these both division symbols with fraction bars in there, the same exact thing. 2 negatives, when you divide, make a positive. If there's even one negative in there, so it's an only odd number of negatives, your answer is a negative. If there's a second one to make it positive, then it's positive. So that is operations with integers. Stop.